So you're gonna take the non-pallu end of the sari, in this case, it's either end, and start your drape like you would for the nivy drape. And then once you get back to your belly button, you wanna just tuck the sari in there and then bring the sari around. Once you bring the sari around, you wanna gather the pallu end and kind of estimate on your body how long you want the frill to be. So I feel like this is a good length. And so what I'm gonna do is hold the sari right here, take the end closest to me or the edge of the sari closest to me while holding this right here and then tuck it in here. And the reason for this is because I wanna understand exactly how much of the sari I need to pleat for my front pleats. And so now I have that spot, I'm gonna start pleating. And so what you wanna do is bring the edge of the sari around you like this, put your hand to the left of your belly button and start pleating. This is so that the top pleat doesn't open up. Okay, once you get back to that tucked in spot, you wanna just untuck it and then stagger your pleats before pinning them and tucking them into your sari silhouettes. Once you've got your pleats how you like them, you just wanna pin them all together and then tuck them into your sari silhouette. And then if you have any extra fabric here, you just wanna untuck that, fold it forward and tuck it in. And then you wanna take the rest of the pallu, bring it around and gather at the pallu, just like very roughly, gather from either end and then bring it in and then tuck it underneath your blouse and bring it over the top. You wanna adjust around your waist to make sure you're covering up or showing as much or as little skin as you want. So if you have any extra fabric here like this, what you can do is just bring it around and underneath all of the pleats or the gathered fabric and just tuck it into the front. That way you've got that nice look here. And then you can leave this like this, or you can make it into a little scarf.